and a very good day to all of you. My name is Saffa and today we will present to you, me and my team will present to you about retaining walls in Shah Alam area. Let's proceed with the introduction of my teammates.
Hi, I am Zurin.
Hi, I am Syamimi.
Hi, I am Zulqarnain.
Hi, I am Nabilah.
Back to me again. We are now at Setia Alam Shah Alam to find more retaining walls to study. What are the main functions of retaining walls? Retaining walls' main function is to retain the soils at unnatural slopes that is caused by humans. The usual selection criteria for retaining wall designs are size of wall area, average wall height, foundation and soil conditions, aesthetical value, and of course, the soil slope.
Proceed about the design of retaining walls. Retaining walls have primary function of retaining soils at an angle in excess of the soil nature angle of purpose. Walls within the design height range are designed to provide the necessary resistance by either their own mass or by the principle of leverage. Okay, another point is about design consideration. First is overturning of the wall does not occur. Second, forward sliding does not occur. Third is materials used are suitable. And fourth, the subsoil is not overloaded. Which designer need to take account. First, nature and characteristic of the subsoil. Second, height of water table. The presence of water can create hydrostatic pressure. And third is type of wall.
Now, we are on top of retaining wall that's still in construction. During construction, there are many factors that affect the loading on retaining wall. The first one is type of backfill. The second one is drainage of backfill materials. The third one is backfill overload. Next is the placement of backfill. And the last one is the type of material beneath footing. Careful planning, study and design is useless if the wall is not constructed according to the plan and specs.
As for me, I will explain to you about creep retaining wall. Creep retaining wall is same as gravity retaining wall. It is constructed from interlocking precast and concrete component to form a three-dimensional framework or creep to retain a soil. Okay, as you can see behind me, this is the example of creep retaining wall. They are filled with free draining materials and earth backfill to eliminate the hazard hydrostatic pressure behind the wall. It can be used almost anywhere a retaining wall is needed, including at driveway, building site or garden areas. And this is at Setia Eco Park Garden. The advantage of using creep retaining wall is first of all is ease of construction, stability, strength and safety, low cost, aesthetic, adaptability, design and independently test.
Gabion is a cage or box that filled with rock and stone for use in civil engineering works and road building. Made of stacked stone-filled gabion that tied together with a wire, usually weathered or stepped base with the slope. The advantage of gabion is more rigid structure. Besides that, it dissipates energy from following water and drain freely.
Kena mata sikit.
As you can see here, this is stone pitch wall. This specification covers the laying of stone pitch and rock walling and construction for retaining walls and freestanding walls such as nose attenuation, draft, and future walls for landscaping or similar structure. It is free drains and will withstand considerable water velocity. The work to be executed under this specification consists of excavation for foundations, construction for footing, placement of rock walls, backfill and subsurface drainage to the walls. Requirement for the quality control and testing, including maximum load size, minimum test frequency, are cited in the specification part of quality requirement. The stone faces shall have a mean thickness of 300 mm with at least 90% of individual stones having a mass not less than 40 kg. Any stone which break or crumble during the placement may be rejected, and the space between the stones shall be completely filled with the hand-placed mortar from the bottom to the top, and the surface shall be clean to expose the individual stone face for landscaping.
Now we have seen a few designs around Shah Alam, retaining wall designs. And I think it's safe to assume, safe to conclude, that for different types of soil conditions, it is necessary to design different type of retaining wall for each cases. In areas such as Kuala Lumpur, where there is only one typical type of soil conditions, Shah Alam has a very large area, and all of these areas have different soil conditions needing different kinds of design. For example, in highway areas, we can see there's crib walls, stone pitch walls, gabion walls. And for housing areas, we can see precast concrete walls, mass concrete walls, and others. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like our video.
Like.